I'm down on Basin Street in the hole behind He's Chinese. Going to zoom up under the northeast wing of the Times Square building. This is beauty. It's just started to rain. Earlier, she appeared to be eating something up there. Must be scraps, because she didn't pick at it for very long. And then she pooped, and then she turned around to feek on the edge. Oh. And then she turned back around to show me her back. I'm glad she turned around to face us now. Thought she was going to fly off there. Just shaking the rain off of her. Thought she was gonna go again. Little faker.